Okay, so today I am going to show you how to set a hanging indent. We're going to start by doing a demo in Microsoft Word, and then I will also do a second demo in Google Docs. So if you have your references, or maybe you're using MLA and you have your works cited, either way, it's going to be the same kind of general thing. Don't forget to alphabetize BR, BU, KU, MC, etc. And don't forget that the whole page should have an even double space. Now let's get to that hanging indent. I'm going to highlight all of my sources and I'm going to open up the paragraph menu, and I can do that a couple of ways. If I hover on the text, I can open the paragraph menu here. I can also come up to the paragraph group up here and I can open it up through this button as well. So let me just hover on over the text. We will open up the paragraph menu from there, and we want to make sure that our spacing is set before 0 point, after 0 point, and double. And you're going to want to fill in these zeros, folks. I know you might be thinking, well, what difference does it make? I'll show you in a moment in that Google document. Now here where it says special, and this is the indentation options, we're going to set the special to hanging. And it's going to be similar in Google Docs. It's also going to be similar in Pages. Not cool. I don't have a MacBook, so I can't show you that one. But you want to look for indentation options, set it to hanging, click OK, and then you get this nice clean hanging indent where it's much easier to read the sources. See how tough it was to kind of read that block of text? Then the hanging indent is put on. It's easier to pick them out. And let's say that I'm reading your essay and you cite Kumar et al. And I'm like, okay, well, let me read more from Kumar et al. When I come down through the references page, because the hanging indent is set, it's extremely easy for me to find that source. And then I could go and follow the URL and I could look it up. So that's how I'm going to set my hanging indent in Microsoft Word. I'm going to do that one more time. I'm going to highlight my text. I'm going to open the paragraph menu here or possibly up here. And I'm going to make sure that my special says hanging, and it'll be 1/2 inch. That'll be the default. Okay, let's do this one more time in Google Docs, just in case that's what we're working with. So in my Google Docs that I have ready for us to take a look at, my spacing is off. I've got quadruple spacing between some of my sources. And so I'm going to want to fix that, and I'm going to want to set my hanging indent. So I'm going to highlight all of my text, and then I'm going to format my align and indent. But I'm actually going to get my line spacing real quick. I want to remove that extra spacing. Okay, back on track. I'm going to format my align and indent, and I'm going to come down here to indentation options. So here it says special again. I'm setting it to hanging. It's automatically 1/2 inch. I apply, and there's my hanging indent in Google Docs. One more time. I highlighted it. I went to format, align and indent, indentation options, and I'm going to set my special to hanging. That way I get that nice hanging indent. It's automatic, it looks clean, and of course the most important thing, it's easiest for my audience to read. I hope this has been helpful. Happy researching.